In this video, I'm going to tell you about the history of the discovery of black holes. 1796, the year both John Michell of England and a real calculus rock star Pierre-Simon Laplace have totally independently of each other proposed a mind-boggling concept of an invisible star. If the object is small and heavy and dense enough for the light not to be able to escape, it shall be invisible. It is important to note that the theory was completely based on Newtonian physics. 1915, Einstein's theory of general relativity, based on which Schwarzschild will define a black hole a year later. This is where the controversy begins. In 1939, Einstein writes a paper that contradicts Schwarzschild's results and opposes the notion of black holes, or, to use the term employed at the time, Schwarzschild singularities. Indeed, the existence of a black hole would assume a gravitational singularity, which is a point in space-time where gravitational field becomes mathematically infinite. It does not depend on coordinate system anymore. Hence, a famous quote, "Black holes are places where God divided by zero." In mathematics, such an operation would yield infinity, dividing by zero. This assumption sounded way too insane and crazy, even for such a genius as Albert Einstein. This is only in late 1960s, where Stephen Hawking used very complex mathematical techniques to prove that singularities may indeed appear, and therefore black holes may actually exist. But how can we claim something is true if we can't see it? In 1973, astronomers discovered a star orbiting something small and dark, which was 15 times the mass of the Sun. Later observations showed that the small dark thing was much smaller than the Sun, and it was producing a lot of X-rays. That was actually a black hole.